What's going on today, guys? Weaver Beats for Bloom Audio, and today I'll be showing you guys how to quickly check the tuning of your bass with one simple trick. Okay, first things first, I have this beat here. You know, sounding something kind of like that. To the untrained ear, you might not actually notice that it's out of tune even, but it is out of tune. And quick way to check this, let's say if you aren't able to tell it in the low register, you can pitch it up an octave or two. You can do that at Ableton by doing shift and then the up arrow key. So I'm gonna do that twice, and then we're gonna listen to it. So as you can tell, it shifted up a few octaves, and it became incredibly obvious that it's not in key. So I'm gonna shift it up one semitone, which is where it should be. And yeah, as you can tell, it sounds in key. Then we can pitch it back down. So we're gonna do shift and down twice. And there you go, our bass is back in tune. This has been Weaver Beats for Bloom Audio. Make sure to check out bloom-audio.com for a great mixing and mastering service. I know this because I am them. And I'll see you guys in the next video. What kind of tutorial would you like to see next? Let me know.